This video speaks to the duties of the maintenance electrician and what it takes to maintain electrical jobs and the required qualifications. An electrician is required because of code and regulations to be a licensed tradesman who has completed a 4 or 5 year apprentice program. This information is provided as a source of general interest for all interested parties. It may be used by human resource personnel as a base to develop job requirements for positions required to be filled within your company. It may also be used by job seekers to provide an understanding of advertised job positions and allow them to write their resume in a manner that suits the advertised or non-advertised position. This information was gathered and collected from many job posted sources, newspaper job sections, business magazines, company websites, and the internet in general. It presents a cross-section of the needs and requirements of many diverse industries, especially the building facility, management, operation, and maintenance requirements. It is thought that approximately 1/3 of electricians work in maintenance and 2/3 in construction. Scope of work. An ME installs, connects, tests, and maintains the facility electrical systems which control climate, security, lighting, and communications. An ME may also install and maintain various electric and electronic controls. The electrician will work with blueprints to locate circuits, outlets, load centers, panel boards, transformers, and other equipment as required. An ME must follow the governing electrical code and comply with local building codes as required. An ME will be required to install conduit in inside designated partitions, walls, or other areas, as well as metal or plastic boxes that will house electrical switches and outlets. An ME will be required to pull insulated wires or cables to complete circuits to these boxes. The electrician will be required to join these wires using specially designed connectors. Using test equipment, such as ohm meters, voltmeters, oscilloscopes, and other equipment, check the circuits for proper connections and equipment operation. The maintenance electrician spends much of his time in preventive maintenance. They periodically inspect equipment and locate and correct problems before breakdowns occur. Electricians may also advise management on whether continued operation of equipment could be hazardous. When needed, they install new electrical equipment. When breakdowns occur, they must make the necessary repairs as quickly as possible in order to minimize inconvenience. Electricians may replace items such as circuit breakers, fuses, switches, electrical and electric components or wire. When working with complex electronic devices, they may work with engineers, engineering technicians, or industrial machine installation, repair, and maintenance workers. Electricians use hand tools such as screwdrivers, pliers, knives, and hacksaws. They also use power tools and testing equipment such as oscilloscopes, ammeters, and test lamps. The qualifications for an electrician job. An electrician must complete a 4 or 5 year apprenticeship program. The apprenticeship is a working arrangement with the apprentice, employer, and government-sponsored trade schools. When at school, it is usual that the government agency pays the apprentice's wage and costs. As each year of the apprenticeship is completed, The apprentice is paid an increased hourly rate. At completion, the new tradesman is entitled to full hourly wage that the trade commands in his specific work area. The maintenance electrician may choose to join an electrical union or not, depending on the circumstances at the facility. Thank you very much.